Okay, I bought a Tusk dual sport kit, hooked it all up. It's for a WR 450 with an existing light. So when I got done with all hooking up the blinkers, brake light, and everything, I was left with 3 wires that come out of this switch for my headlight, which is a blue, a white, and a black. So I went over here, plugged the blue, white, and the black, got a new headlight switch because the existing one that runs off here is hooked up to run both high and low at the same time, and it runs off your stator and regulator. And if you want to be dual sport, you got to have your lights work with the motor not running. So I bought this new switch and hooked the 3 wires up thinking it would work, and it does not. So the problem is, in this switch, there's no power lead into it. There's power into your blinkers, and there's power to your horn, but no power here, which is kind of strange. I don't know why they do it that way. So what I did was I took the black wire coming out of that switch. Instead of using it for ground for my light, I ran it back to the battery, which now gave this switch power through the ground wire. Then I took the blue, which goes to the right, which is your high beam. I took the white right here, which goes to your top, which is your low beam. And with the right side, ground, I just tagged off the ground to my existing light switch. So by doing that, now I have highs and lows. I don't know why Tusk doesn't have a power lead going there. I don't know why they do it that way, but that's the way I did it, and I think it'll work for either stator wise too. So give it a try.